Greetings, explorers. Welcome to the Amazon River Quest. Hold on to your hats. This is going to be an amazing ride. On your left is a troop of spider monkeys. They can leap over 9 meters from branch to branch. High up in the trees on your right is the white-faced Saki monkey. Because of their ability to leap large distances, they are known as the flying monkeys. We're now entering the land of the giants. Quick, to your left. Do you see something large and furry? That's the giant Anteater. Look out for the sharp claws. They're used to dig into termite mounds. Coming up next is our family of brown-nosed cotimundis. They're able to turn their ankles over 180 degrees, and this helps them climb trees. Do you see two large brown animals? These are Brazilian tapirs. Tapirs are the largest land mammals in the Amazon, growing up to 300 kilograms. However, it still has enemies. When chased by the cougars and jaguars, they run and plunge into the river. The Amazon is also home to smaller creatures. Hiding among leaves on the right are cotton-topped tamarins. These small monkeys talk to each other in chirps and whistles. Explorers, are you ready? We're about to come face to face with the most feared predator in the Amazon, the Jaguar. Meet Howler, our young Jaguar. He was born in the Singapore Zoo in 2004. Howler likes to play with mud, especially when it's wet. His parents, Angel and Khan, are coming up next. The Jaguar is a top predator in the Amazon. It has a powerful bite that pierces its razor scar with its teeth. Explorers, look up on your left. These are the just like the red howler monkeys, they howl loudly when they sense approaching rain. If you turn to your left, you'll spot the Caribbean flamingos. The flamingo's curved beak acts as a sieve, filtering out microscopic food in the water. It is this food that gives the flamingo its red plumage. Just opposite are our capybaras. These large cousins of the hamsters grow up to 70 kilograms and are the world's largest rodent. Well, explorers, I hope you have been enjoying your voyage. If you wish to see more Amazonian animals, head on left towards the Amazon by the forest. Have an amazing day at River Safari.
Farewell, explorers.